Okay, so we're in the theater room, so this is where it gets kind of interesting. I left some wires in case you wanted to hook up the speaker. In here again, I think these people had the projection system, which is why I think you see that up there, and that outlet up there has wires in it. Again, I tried to figure it out, but couldn't figure out how to work that, but I'm pretty sure that's what all of that was hooked up to. So instead of doing that, I ran speaker wire to control the back speakers primarily, which is what I'm leaving because I had to run them up the wall here and then around the crown molding and all the way back, and I'm leaving some of them sticking out there, so you don't have to redo all of that. So I had a couple different speakers. I had two up here, and then I had the two rear ones, which I'm leaving you again, the wires back here in case you wanted to put rear speakers here. So that's what all of this stuff is. Obviously the other end went into the receiver. Cable also was kind of weird in this room because it was a bedroom. I'm leaving you the cable. This also goes up there and all the way through the back and somewhere back in there, because that's where the cable guy originally in this room, cable was in the back, not in the front. So that's why I ran the cable all the way over here and left that for ease of use. The other thing is they had the rope lighting that never worked for us. I'm leaving it there. I don't know if you want it. It looks like they ran some stuff in between, and you know, I never really figured it out, so I never really did anything with it. What else? There's not really any outlets in here other than that one, which is why I'm sure you've noticed this hole down here, which is what they did. And I'll leave you this here for the chairs and all that, a surge protector. That I had to run a wire through the back to the outlet. You can't see it, but it goes all the way back in there. And there's a little hatch that I created behind the chairs in the third row. If you lift up the carpet here, there's a hole here where you can stick your hand in. That's where you can see it, probably not, but that's where an outlet is, and extension cords and whatnot that are in there in case you need to plug anything in or run anything. That's why that's there. I think that's about it for in here, but wanted to make sure you understood what was going on here as well. And I don't know outside this room, I don't think this cable up here worked. I don't know if you ever tried it, but I'm sure that's if you wanted to hang a TV, you'd have to test that and see if it works. I'm not really sure.